Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to save a PowerPoint slide as an image. This is actually quite simple and you can save a single slide as an image as well as the entire presentation. To do this I first open PowerPoint and here I have a small presentation. For this tutorial I want to save this slide as an image. To do this it is important that I click on the corresponding slide in the selection on the left. We can see which slide is selected by this border. Once I have selected the slide, I click on the File tab on the top left and then on Save As. Here I first select the storage location, in this case my desktop. I enter a name and now select an image format, such as JPEG or PNG. Once I have finished, I click on Save and now I'm asked whether I want to save only my current slide or the entire presentation as an image. If I want to save one slide as an image, I click on just this one. That's why it was important to select the corresponding slide beforehand. If I want to save the entire presentation as an image, I click on All Slides. Please note that the slides are always saved in a separate image and not all slides in one image. PowerPoint will create a folder in the save location and put all the images there. In this case, however, I only want to save one slide as an image. And then we can see that my slide is now on the desktop as an image. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.